friends, today let's discuss the most important points of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, and at the end we'll be discussing a model question which is strictly based on UPSC pattern. So let's get started. And the aim of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi is to provide assured income support of rupees 6,000 per year to farmers. That means this scheme is aimed to provide income support to the farmers. And the fund is, the most important feature is the fund is transferred directly to the bank account of the farmer in 3 equal installments. That means rupees 2,000 per installment, that is per quarter. Per quarter, rupees 2,000 is transferred to the bank account of the farmer directly. Likewise, 3 installments are there. So total rupees 6,000 per year is transferred to the bank account of farmer, and the beneficiaries are small and marginal farmers. Not the entire farmers communities comes under the scheme. Only small and marginal farmers are the beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi. And the funding pattern to be noted: 100% funding is provided by the central government, right? 100% funding is provided by the central government, and this program, this scheme is obviously implemented by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So let's revise once again. Scheme is to provide income support of rupees 6,000 per year to farmers, and those funds is directly transferred to the bank account, and only small and marginal farmers are eligible for the scheme, and implemented by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. And funding pattern: 100% is funded by central government. So let's move on to a model question. With reference to Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, consider the following statements. Statement number 1: it is to provide income support to farmers. An amount of rupees 6,000 is transferred to the bank account of the farmer per cropping season. The scheme is implemented by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Which among the above statement or statements is or are correct? So let's move on to statement number 1. It is to provide income support to farmers. Exactly. The main key importance is to give income support to farmers, that is rupees 6,000 rupees, right? 2. An amount of rupees 6,000 is transferred to the bank account of the farmer per cropping season. So it is not per cropping season. Per year, the fund is transferred to the bank account, and the criteria is not per cropping season, it is per year this amount is transferred. So statement 2 becomes wrong here, right? Regarding statement number 3, the scheme is implemented by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. That is right here. So the answer should be 1 and 3. That is option C. So C is our answer. That is statement number 1, and statement number 3 is right here, because statement 2 says that fund is transferred per cropping season. That is wrong here, because per year only the rupees is transferred to the bank account of the farmer, right? So that's all about Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi. And if you if you feel this video useful, please subscribe our channel so that we get motivated to bring up with more quality videos. And thank you for watching. Bye.